You need to hear this if you're an Agile team member or Scrum Master, because mastering Sprint Retrospectives can transform your results. I am Pankaj Sharma and I'll be your guide as we break down the Sprint Retrospective process step by step. Ready to transform your retrospectives from dull routines into dynamic, results-driven power hours? Follow my step-by-step guide to energize your team and drive real improvement. First, set the stage. Seriously, don't skip this. I like to remind everyone that this isn't about finger pointing. It's about learning, improving, and honestly getting better together. Set some ground rules, grab a coffee, and get comfy. Next, gather data. What actually happened during the sprint? I ask everyone to write down highlights and lowlights, sticky notes, digital boards, whatever works. This way, you see patterns you might miss in the heat of the moment. Now, generate insights. Dig into those patterns. Why did those things happen? What was in our control? This is where the real gold is found. Be honest. Sometimes the best breakthroughs come from admitting what didn't work. Time to decide what to do. Pick 1 or 2 action items, not 10. 1 or 2. Make them doable, assign owners, and agree on what done looks like. Simple but powerful. Finally, close the retro. I like to thank the team, ask for quick feedback on the session, and keep things light. Remember, your goal isn't just to run a meeting, it's to help your team get better every single sprint. Try these steps next time and watch your retros go from awkward to awesome. Ready to nail your next sprint retrospective? Let's do this.